vegetarian is easy and delicious. Do you like eating fried mee suah?
Mee Suah is a traditional Fujianese noodle, often served at celebrations. Mee Suah is made from wheat flour, with a thread-like thin texture that turns soft yet slightly chewy when cooked. It has a mild taste but absorbs broths and sauces well, often used in soups or stir-fries. In Fujian and Taiwan, it's paired with crab, pork knuckle, or seafood, symbolizing longevity and celebration. Stir-fried mee suah originated in southern Fujian, China, as a humble dish among fishermen and farmers, later spread to Southeast Asia and Taiwan through migration. Originally fried with oil to preserve the noodles, it evolved into a popular dish prized for its fragrant, chewy texture and rich flavor. Ingredients: fried mee suah, egg, carrot, vegan seafood tofu. Peel and shredded carrot. Adding shredded carrots to fried mee suah brings a vibrant golden color and a sweet, crunchy texture. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene. Stir-frying them with noodles makes the dish more nutritious and delicious. Cut vegan seafood tofu into small slices. Boil the mee suah for just 1 to 1.5 minutes al dente for perfect stir-frying later. For easier cooking, choose pre-fried mee suah available in stores. These noodles don't require additional deep frying. Just soften them in boiling water and they're ready for the wok. This is perfect texture. Time to drain it. Rinse under cold water and drain immediately to stop cooking, ensuring a chewy texture when fried. Rinsing cooked mee suah with cold water makes it springy and silky. Add cooking oil into wok and let's fry mee suah. Let's start with fried egg. Scramble eggs in hot oil over high heat just until set. Remove immediately for tender fluffiness. Eggs are packed with high-quality protein and essential amino acids, making them a perfectly bioavailable nutrient source. The yolk contains choline and lutein, boosting brain health and vision, though its cholesterol content requires moderate intake. Poached eggs preserve nutrients best, while stir-frying with plant oil enhances fat-soluble vitamin absorption. Fried eggs set aside for later use. In the same wok, saute the plant-based seafood tofu in hot oil until golden and aromatic. Vegetarian seafood tofu is made from soy protein and seaweed extracts, mimicking the appearance of fish, shrimp with plant-based ingredients. Its texture is springy with a slight crispness, firmer than regular tofu and excellent at absorbing savory sauces. Add shredded carrot and stir-fry. Stir-frying carrots increases beta-carotene bioavailability by 6x compared to raw. Add a tablespoon vegan oyster sauce. Add half bowl water and bring it to the boil. Add 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce. This will give the fried mee suah a richer, more appetizing color. add salt and pepper powder to taste. Mee Suah comes in salted and unsalted varieties. Go easy on seasoning with the salted type to avoid oversalting. For packages labeled salted Mee Suah, always test boil a small bunch to check saltiness before full cooking. Once boiled, fried Mee Suah. For flavoring, add soy sauce. My go-to is this slightly sweet, scallion-infused rye noodle sauce. Yes, the same one from my last tutorial. Stir-fry just 30 seconds after adding seasonings. Coat evenly without overcooking. Perfect when wok aroma appears and noodle edges curl slightly. Add fried egg and mix well. I prefer pre-scrambling eggs. Fluffy golden chunks add texture to the noodles. A final drizzle of Lee and Perring's Worcestershire sauce adds complex umami that elevates the dish instantly. Pour along the hot wok's edge to release its malty and tangy notes, creating depth. Shanghai's 1930s Western chefs secretly used it to boost wok hei in Chinese stir-fried noodles, a trick known only to old-school gourmets. Time to plate up. This aromatic stir-fried noodle masterpiece is begging to be devoured. Mee Suah's hair-thin strands cling to sauces perfectly, delivering bold flavor in every bite. Unlike regular noodles, it absorbs broth and all deeply infusing flavor inside out. Science behind it. Sun-drying plus deep frying creates micropores in Mee Suah, tripling its flavor-absorbing power versus regular noodles.
Does eating Mee Suah have special meanings?
Mee Suah's endless threads represent longevity. A must-eat at Fujian birthday longevity feasts. Wedding Mee Suah paste symbolizes entwined love, a promise to grow old together. Housewarming ritual. Cooking Mee Suah over new stove guides golden luck into the home. Fishermen eat fried Mee Suah pre-voyage, praying for unbroken smooth sailing. A single strand stretches 3 meters, embodying the Eastern enduring harmony ideal. Fujian proverb, eat Mee Suah, live to 120. By the way, if you are looking for delicious recipes, welcome to check out my recipe playlist. There are 5,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? Hope you like my recipe sharing. Follow my channel so you may refer to the recipes in the future anytime you like. My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan, do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-vegetarian, do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sourdough. For vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian, do not eat red meat or poultry, but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian, mainly vegetarian, occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious, cultural vegetarianism such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork, or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference: whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with 1 meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fork protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.